Hello everyone, welcome back to Rare Chem Official. Today we are going to discuss about some basic concepts in atomic structure. First one is atomic number. The number of electrons or protons present in an atom of an element is called atomic number. If take carbon, number of protons 6, number of electrons 6. In a neutral atom, number of protons equals to number of electrons. If lose one electron, it will get C plus ion. Here number of protons 6, number of electrons 5 because it lost one electron. And if take C minus ion, number of protons is not equals to number of electrons because here one electron is gained. Here number of protons 6, number of electrons 7. Mass number, sum of protons and neutrons in an atom of an element is called mass number. A is the mass number. A is number of neutrons plus number of protons. Number of neutrons equals to A minus Z. A means mass number minus Z means atomic number. If take carbon, mass number is sum of protons and neutrons, right? Here neutrons A minus Z. Here A is 12. 12 minus 6 equals to 6. Means number of neutrons equals to 6. Number of protons here 6. Mass number is number of protons plus number of neutrons equals to mass number. Here proton 6 and neutron 6 equals to 12 mass number of carbon. Isotopes. The atoms of same element having same atomic number but different mass number is called isotopes. If take hydrogen, atoms of same element, same atomic number and different mass number is called isotopes. Isobars, it defined as the atoms different elements having same mass number, different atomic numbers called isobars. If take carbon and nitrogen, these are the different elements having different atomic number and having same mass number. Here 6 and 7 is the atomic numbers for carbon and nitrogen. Here mass number is same. So isobars means different elements having same mass number and different atomic numbers called isobars. Isotones. Nucleates of the different elements with the different atomic number and mass number but having same number of neutrons called isotones. If take silicon, phosphorus and sulfur, different elements, different mass number and different atomic number but having same number of neutrons. Here mass number is 30, atomic number is 14. 30 minus 14 equals to 16, means it has 16 neutrons. 31 minus 15 equals to 16. Different elements having different mass number and different atomic number but having same number of neutrons are called isotones. Isodiaphers, it defined as the nucleates having same isotopic number is called isodiaphers. They possess same difference of neutrons and protons. If take fluorine and sodium, the mass number A minus 2 into Z. 19 is the mass number for fluorine and 2 into 9 atomic number. We got the 1. For sodium, 23 is the mass number, 2 into atomic number, we got the 1. Same isotopic number. So these are the isodiaphers. Isosters means the molecules with same atomicity and same number of electrons are called isosters. If take CO2 and N2O, the atomicity is here 2 oxygen and 1 carbon. See, the atomicity is 3. Here nitrogen 2, and oxygen 1. Total 3. The atomicity is same and same number of electrons. Carbon 6 and oxygen 8 into 6, 8 into 2. Here 2 oxygen atoms are there, so 2, 16. We got 22. Here 7 into 2 plus 8 means 7 electrons. 7 atomic number for nitrogen is 7. 2 nitrogen atoms are present, and into 2 plus 18, 8 for oxygen. We got the total 22 electrons for CO2 and N2O. These are the two are isosters. Isoelectronic species. The molecules are ions with same number of electrons are called isoelectronic species. If take example N minus 3, O minus 2, F minus. Nitrogen atomic number is 7 and here minus 3 charge is present. We have to add plus 3 and 8 plus 2, 9 plus 1. We got total number of electrons are 10 for N minus 3, for O2, O minus 2, for F minus. These are all having same electrons. So these pairs are called isoelectronic species. If take one question N minus 3, O minus 2, F minus, neon, Na plus, Mg plus 2, Al plus 3. Here P by electron ratio is directly inversely proportional to size and directly proportional to ionization energy. Which of the following molecules has ions has here ions has higher ionization energy? If take N minus 3, the protons for nitrogen are 7, for oxygen 8, for fluorine 9, neon 10, 11 for sodium, 12 for magnesium, 13 for aluminium. Electron ratio here 7 plus 3, 10, 8 plus 2, here negative charge we have to add plus 2, so 10 electrons, 10 electrons, 10 electrons, 10 electrons. Here for sodium atomic number is 11, but here positive charge we have to subtracted 1 from atomic number, so we got 10. These are the isoelectronic species. For P by E ratio is 10 by 7 we got 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, 1, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. Here we discussed P by E ratio is inversely proportional to size. Here P by E ratio is 1 by higher for 1.3. Means 1.3 means high, means size is smaller. Here P by ratio is high, size is smaller. P by E ratio is higher, the size is smaller, right? So P by E ratio is higher, larger value, and size is smaller. So ionization energy is higher for Al plus 3 ion. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.